Hello everyone, my name is Hansel and I'm here today to tell you about my amazing experience with the Center for Technology Training. A few years ago, I faced a big health problem that made me rethink my career. I used to work on a different field, but I decided that I wanted to work in information technology. So I found CTT and they were fantastic. They helped me a lot in my journey to an IT career. The classes were great and the teachers were really good. They always helped me understand everything. CTT is special because they also helped me find a job in IT when I finished my training. So I'm happy to say that I have a great job in IT, all thanks to CTT. So if you're thinking about changing your career or learning about IT, I highly recommend CTT. They helped me a lot and I'm grateful for that. Thank you, CTT, for making my dreams come true.